Yeah, hello. Today I have here my new BenQ e-reading lamp that I just purchased here, and so we want to do the unboxing video. And here you see here the key features of this lamp. This is here wide for an extra wide field of light, and then intelligent for automatically detecting here your ambient brightness and adjusting accordingly, and then tailor-made for changing the brightness and the color temperature manually. But now, so let's start taking this out of the box here. It's a pretty big box. So let me pull this out here. It's packaged in styrofoam. And now this is what this looks like here on the inside. Very well organized. So let's start out here with the instructions. So first we have here a quick start guide. It just shows you the basic functionality and how to set up the lamp correctly. And then here we have a little bit more detailed user's manual. Shows you exactly the setup and some more information of how to exactly use the lamp. Then next we have here the base, which is really heavy. So this weighs a couple of pounds. So let's take a look at that. This is nothing special here. We just have here this pin in the middle. Well, not quite in the middle, but off center. Tells you not to step on it. That's what the sticker there says. And then here we have the power supply. In case you're interested here, very short cable, and it's 12 volts and 1.5 amps. Yeah, this is that. And then we already have here the lamp itself, just wrapped here in plastic. Let me remove this really quick, and then let's have a look, a close-up look here. And see here on the bottom we have here this clear plastic. So these little lines that go across, all across. And then here the top we have here this, here we have a light sensor actually here for this intelligent feature that adjusts the brightness for you. Then here the outside, the silver, the gray part here, that's metal. And then here we have the knob, and the rotary knob actually, to adjust the brightness and the color temperature. And here in the back is the ring to turn it on and off. And then let's see at the mechanism here, we have this ball joint, so you can rotate the lamp as you need it. And then we go down here, the arm, we have one joint here. You can adjust the angle. Here, just like this. You see the wire is here outside. And then here we have another one. We can also, this is also where the cable comes out, and here we can also adjust the angle of the lamp. This is really sturdy here, actually, the lower one. I have a hard time bending this as it is right now. And then here, as I said before, here's the cable. It's almost 7 foot long, or just a little bit more than 2 meters. And you connect this here to your power supply, right? Okay, so yeah, this is already it, the unboxing video. In case you want to see the setup of this, then check out my other video that I'm linking to here in the right corner. If you have any questions, then please leave a comment below.